here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along Bob Iacchino. Another super boring crypto video. Not much going on. I have updated the levels. We're just watching the daily chart at this point. It's just moving complete sideways, and we're watching for a daily close above 93.03 or a daily close below 91.70 area. Now, if we do start getting momentum at a big igniting bar, then we will watch for shorter term closes above those levels. And what I mean by igniting bar, let me see if I can find something. An igniting bar is like, see where you get a big ramp up bar, breaks out of a level, retests it. That's when we'll start going to shorter term levels. So this is a very good example. So let's pretend this was the level we were watching back then. I don't know exactly what it was because that's the newly updated level. But if I started seeing this, all right, reversal spike down, pretty powerful bar, closing above it, retest that level. That's what I'm watching for, an igniting bar. So then I'll shift to shorter term charts. Before that, if I need a daily close. Without an igniting bar, we're watching for a daily close above 9,300 or a daily close below about 91.70. For Ethereum, here's Ethereum. Again, updated the levels. I'm going to be watching slightly below this 237 level at about 236.25. Close below that. Then shifting to the lower prices, a close above 243, shifting to the higher prices. Again, an igniting bar changes that. But those are all the key levels. Nothing else has changed with the targets on either side, so you can still reference our prior videos. That's all we have for you with another boring crypto video, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.